Face-off over the SIR and the EPIC numbers in Bihar continues as Tejasvi Yadav has doubled down on his charges. He's in fact now questioned why EPIC numbers were changed. He also says that some names have been cut out and questions why. Remember, he has reiterated that his name is still missing from the electoral roll and has reiterated this big charge. Remember, the Election Commission had earlier come forward and said that Tejasvi Yadav's name does indeed exist in the electoral roll, but with a different EPIC number. Now, Tejasvi Yadav has come out and questioned why the EPIC numbers were changed in the first place.
कल जो हमने सवाल पूछे हैं इलेक्शन कमीशन से कि इसमें इलेक्शन कमीशन ने आखिर क्यों छुपाया है, जो लोग भी हैं बूथ वाइज जो है इपिक नंबर जो होता है, ईपीआईसी नंबर जो होता है, जो लोग जिनकी मृत्यु हुई है, जिनका स्थानांतरण हुआ है, या जो लोग जो है दूसरे विधानसभा चले गए हैं या शिफ्टेड है, आज उन लोगों को कम से कम इलेक्शन कमीशन को बताना चाहिए कि आखिर क्या कारणवश जो है नाम कटा गया।
BJP's Sambit Patra addressed these issues related to the Bihar SIR showdown, and now the BJP has slammed RJD's Tejasvi Yadav as well over the EPIC number face-off. The Election Commission too, remember, had responded strongly on the wrong EPIC number question. The BJP has now said the authenticity of Tejasvi Yadav's nomination is in question. They've also said that this will lead to an epic defeat for the RJD. Now, Sambit Patra also raised doubts about the India Alliance and claimed that they were here only to protect their families and ensure dynasty politics. He also made a reference to Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi's atom bomb comment over the SIR expose claims.
ये तस्वीर है, जिस तस्वीर में अलग एपिक नंबर था, जिसका नंबर है RAB 291612, जो गलत नंबर बताया गया था, कल प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में जो बताया गया था, वो वोटर आईडी कार्ड देखिए आप। तो दो वोटर आईडी कार्ड हैं, एक वोटर आईडी कार्ड जो मैंने आपको दिखाया और वह एपिक कार्ड के साथ यह है, और दूसरा वाला यह है जिसमें दूसरे एपिक कार्ड नंबर का जिक्र कल तेजस्वी जी कर रहे थे। यह है तेजस्वी यादव की हकीकत। This will be an epic defeat of RJD. और ये राहुल गांधी कह रहे थे मैं एटम बॉम्ब फोड़ूंगा, शायद यही था एटम बॉम्ब उनका, ठुस। जैसा एटम बॉम्ब पाकिस्तान का, वैसा ही एटम बॉम्ब इनका। आपके बीएलए है, बूथ लेवल एजेंट, आपको दिक्कत है, बीएलए जाके बीएलओ को कंप्लेंट करे। बीएलओ को कंप्लेंट करने से बीएलओ नाम जोड़ेगा, ये काटेगा। आपके पास डॉक्यूमेंट होने चाहिए। तो ये नॉन एस्केलेटरी है, मगर कल जिस प्रकार से एस्केलेट करने की कोशिश की गई एटॉम बॉम्ब लेकर, अगर एस्केलेट करोगे तो अपने ही घर के अंदर के एयरबेस ध्वस्त होंगे। आज एयरबेस ध्वस्त हो गया है।
That's right. With Bihar just weeks, into heading into assembly elections, we are seeing that the politics is intensifying regarding the SIR. Now, this is a long-going escalation between the BJP and the RJD, the NDA and India Alliance, rather, that we are seeing here with Tejasvi Yadav. He, few days ago, had in fact said that his name has been deleted from the voter list, to which the Election Commission had in fact fact-checked him and had said that there is, the EPIC number exists there, and his EPIC number is in fact 416. And we are seeing that Sambit Patra has right now, drew a sharp question towards Tejasvi Yadav, saying that this means he has two, voter IDs, and that this is somehow, this is somehow how the RJD, party is in fact trying to win elections. They are saying that they are trying to, in fact, they are trying to create misinformation, amongst the voters in Bihar, and not just that, they are also trying to discredit the Election Commission, and this is a very dangerous process. Not just this is political, but it is also dangerous for the RJD. He has in fact also gone on to say that the India alliance is in fact trying to defame India by regularly criticizing the election commission. It is a very democratic institution, and it is in fact right now working within its limits, and the SIR is in fact a regular process that is being conducted in Bihar. We did see P. Chidambaram in fact also coming out today and criticizing the election commission regarding the SIR process that is in fact being held in Bihar ahead of the election, ahead of the assembly elections that is in fact going to happen in a few weeks. But we are seeing that the politics is intensifying here, and the NDA is right now in fact dropping sharp criticism against the India alliance and the RJD. Over to you.